the only animals that drink milk as adults. No other animal, but humans continue to drink milk even when they're adults. And they don't only drink human milk, we drink cow milk, goat milk, camel milk. What is it with us and milk? And to make things worse, most of us cannot even digest milk properly after we are older than 45. Anyway, blood sores, gives abdominal cramps. So cut out the red meat, cut out the dairy products. Those are things that you can do. I mean, you can't change the fact that you are over 45 years, and you can't change the fact that you are a man or that you are a black male, because those are things that, are risk factors. First degree family history, also important. If your uncle has prostate cancer, your brother, your dad, it puts you at a higher risk. So you have to be vigilant. Let your doctor know so they can really be on top of it. If it's diagnosed early, the chances that you live longer is much better.